Hi, my name is Anjum. Today I'm talking about keyword, what are the keywords are and how we use in our business for improve our website, and how can we do a research on a keyword. First of all, what is a keyword? Keywords is basically a word we are using for finding a search term in a search engine. Keyword is a way we can to know that any search engine what we are looking for it. Let's suppose I start online interior design. If you see that there is a keyword suggested by Google, there in online interior designing courses, online interior design services, online interior designing courses free. This is the keyword people are looking for online interior. If you have a online designing courses, you click on this one. If you are looking for online design, let's suppose I am looking for online design. So what happened? There is a website coming in the top. Room Sketcher, Heavenly.com, GoodHousekeeping.com. Those websites are optimized by a online interior design. Means that Google think that those website is a good friendly user for a for a searcher. If you go to the bottom of the Google, we see that Google suggested online interior design free, online interior designing courses, online interior design services India, online interior design project. Means that Google thinks that this is a term people are looking for. So if I have an interior design online shop, I trade online commerce, what I do, I search for these keywords and make a content around them. This help us to in a SEO in a Google, and it become to know that Google that if somebody looking for online interior design, then they go this results show our website to them. Talk about how consumer understand a keyword. First of all, interest means what they are looking for. Second thing is gather knowledge about product. Number 3 is a research, number 4 is a budget, and number 5 is to define a problem, and number 6 is a commitment. Let's suppose that I am looking for interior design, mean that I am interested in interior design. Then what I do, I go to the interior design website and gather information about which product I am looking for. Third is the research. I research on what interior designing offer to us. Number 4 is our budget. I look for budget, how much I pay for interior design. Number 5 is possibilities, how I get a interior design. Number 6 is a commitment. If I make a commitment, go to interior designer looking for a different product, and let's suppose that I click on this and I go to the website. I see that there's a interior designing software designer ideas, so they make basically they make a blog on this, so people know about that, what they are offering, and what their pricing, floor plan, use for. So this is the basically looking app, what is the interior design. So this is a one way we can start. Another way is that if we make a content around our keyword, looking for that, first of all we have a niche. Basically, if we pick a niche, like suppose that I am fashion designer, so if I go to a journal that start with let's suppose if somebody have a website and he offer different product, like let's suppose he in a cosmetic product, he have a online clothes, he have a online wears, he also have a glasses, etc. So they have a 5 different niches. So it is not a good practice to go 5 niches. Instead, what have we do? We are going to the online clothes. So when we type, let's suppose online clothes, stores. So what happened? This is a paid ad. AliExpress paid for this keyword research. This is organic way, Alchem Studio, Yes Online, Casseria, affordable. So what is this is? This is the keywords they optimize. If I want to show our result also, so what we should do? I make a online clothing store. First of all, pick a niche. We talk about the niche. By doing this, we make our work very straightforward, and we know that which keyword we are looking for. That let's suppose that go to bottom. Now you see that online store in Pakistan, online clothing shopping. This is the brand names. They are the brand name people are looking for. So this is the first thing you do for SEO research tip, that you're looking for a niche. Basically, if you have a blog, start a blogging. Blogging is a very good idea to make content around your niche. Let's see that if they have a blog or not. If they on a top, of course they have also a blog. No. Now look this website. There's a blog. When I click on a blog, what they should doing that they are smart. So what they are doing, they make a content around a blog. Let's suppose I talk on a budget. Let's see that they have a shopping on a budget. So they are making a blog around a budget, and they are going to know their audience what they are looking for. So this is the one way to, if you want optimize your website, you make a blog around them. Second thing is that you pick a buzzword and new topics. If you doing a blogging in your niche is a latest update, what they are looking for. This is another way you can make your keyword research very effectively. Let's suppose that if I am a tech example is a very good one. If I am in a tech industry, what new smartphone is coming, what new software is coming, what new things are coming. If you are written on a blog on those hot topics, what happened that there not much people are written on this type of topics, and by doing this you become very efficiently become rank on this websites. This numbering one the top 5. If you get a top 5 traffic on, you easily capture a market on this keyword. Third thing is that you have a different software. So you use like this. This is a basic simple method people are using, like this one. Another one is a Google Planner. So let's suppose I go to a Google Planner and show how we research on a Google Planner. Now another tool is a very good for keyword research. Is a master of all tools. Is a called Google Ads. If you make an account in a Google Ads by sign up like Gmail. What you do, you have a go to the keyword plan. I come in a keyword plan and I start research on, and what I do, I should enter. If you can add multiple, I go for a simple start with one keyword for understanding. Now look what we are looking for. Google is suggesting clothing. This is also people are looking for. This is your keyword you get from it. This is a broad keyword. Looking broaden your research, also called it, and you should see that they have a filter symbol. But for a simple, I understand what this mean about. Mean that 175 to 1767 keyword ideas. You look for it. There is a, if you I stretch on this bar, you're looking that there is a I cut it. So let's suppose that if I looking for online clothing store, then what Google suggested online clothing store mean every monthly search. The people are typing this keyword in Google search is 10k to 100k mean 10,000 to 100,000. Competition high. What does mean by competition high? it means that other people are also compete on this keyword. So if you are making a content online clothing store, the other people are also making a clothing store. This is for ads. We are not looking for ad. We are only simply understand what's the keyword. Now let Google give us another mantra clothing, means that this keyword is also people are looking for. Now they also suggest Amazon online shopping clothes, means that Google know better. Amazon is every time you search Amazon is not coming, but because of e-commerce, Amazon is also e-commerce store, so Amazon also showing people looking for Amazon also searching, and this is also a high competitive niche. And there's looking for we go for another there are cheap clothes online. People are looking for cheap clothes also. If you go to online dress shopping, means there's also people are looking for local store. Men clothing means this, they are looking for local store. If you have any local store in your area, what should you do? You also target this term and make your local SEO. We talk about another video what is a local SEO. Simple is that when you people are looking for keyword and this type of thing is coming, it means that this is a local SEO. People are doing a search engine optimization on local store. This is near to me. If you type near to me, this type of the stores near to your location are coming. If you go to again, then now people are looking for top 10. So what should you do? You take out copy and paste on your you make a keyword research. You type on Excel, and what should you copy that and put on paste on Excel and make a sheet on your around your business. Keyword what your business, if you are only selling like a kids clothes, then every like that. If I suppose I have a kids store, what I should do, I cut it, I copy and paste it, and I start. So if I have any, like suppose I have a cheap clothes, I target this cheap clothes. If I have a baby gift store, baby clothes, then I target on this type of term, baby's term. Where the more you get on target on your particular niche, the more better you get it. Another thing is that long keywords are more effective and easily compete on it, like this Zara kids clothing online shopping. This is called long tail keyword. If you go to our sometime what happen, they have only one keyword, like baby. Baby is a very broad keyword, and like this clothing store is a broad keyword. So don't target on starting a broad keyword. Start with the long keyword, like 1 year baby dress online shopping, birthday dress for baby girls online shopping. This type of keywords are very long, and what happen, they have a very broad and they easily you can target on these terms. Sometime what should you do in a starting, if you encourage to an SEO, you should do a low competition. Means that if I target this second hand baby store near me, if I have any sales or I have some cheap clothes, what I should do, I make this keyword target on it, and there's a less competition. Mean that less competition mean that if I target this keyword, it easily appear on a Google search engine. This is another way. This is the way we do a simple keyword and planner, and it gives me a very good result. Another tool is a very highly used is a keyword, and keyword is also a very good tool people use for. But I said that in the beginning you should focus on and master on a Google planner, and after you can easily, if you learn how to do a Google planner, then you go for a very easily on a research on it. Another way is a paid ad. I simply give you an overview of what is a paid ad. Paid ad means that if you have money and you want on your search engine, top in a search engine, what you do, you like, let's suppose the AliExpress, what they should do, they target this keyword, online clothing store, and what happened when I search on that, AliExpress.com is also online shopping platform, and what they do, they appear on a first, and this ad is tell us that they pay for this keyword. If let's suppose I write perfumes, let's suppose, and what happened, now AliExpress also do paid for a perfume. If I go to Amazon, let's suppose I click on that. So what happened that AliExpress also target a woman clothing online Amazon. So he know that the people are looking for Amazon, and they are smart, and what they should do, instead showing us Amazon in a first, they target on a AliExpress to top in there. This is a way. If you have a budget on ads, the big company are doing this type of ad advertising. So what happened, people don't know this is an ad, because Google now become a smart. In a previous decade, in a previous version of Google search engine, they were yellowish highlight on an ad, but now they make only a AD, but instead of highlight, they make a user friendly and they do ad. 40% people are 60% people are skip the first ads who know it, but 40% people are clicking on the ad. So it's mean that the people are searching like this 118 100,000 people are looking for this keywords, means that 40% of this search volume is going to this 40% of volume going to the click on the first ad. When you click on the first ad, they go to the let's suppose that we click on this and they show us what we are looking for. So this is another way. It is also a effective strategy. What happened, let's suppose that some people click on this and both click on this, and like that they have a multiple, they may compare pricing, or maybe what they are looking for, they give a cheap on this website. So this is a way they compete on the market by pricing. People are looking for if maybe by quality. So this is a way we do a keyword research. You looking for that. If I write on Amazon, what happened there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position captured by Amazon, because Amazon is a now huge platform, and he have a very big massive data on this, and people are very user friendly. Google know that Amazon is a very good website, very authentic, and people are looking for that. Another thing what insider.com do that is that they also take a 7th place by doing a blogging. So they have a write on Amazon on this topics. So they make an ultimate guide. If you see that they make an ultimate guide by doing this, they give a user what they are looking for, and by doing this they become on a top. And this is the way is a good way to become your website on top. I think this is a basic overview. You can understand it. If you like my video, please comment me below and let know me what you are thinking and what you supposed to want more information on this type of topics. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye.